In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix high CPU usage in Battlefield 2042. If you've been playing this high-octane, immersive game and noticed your CPU is working overtime, you're not alone. Many players have encountered this issue, and luckily, there are several ways you can tackle it effectively. Let's dive in and get your game running smoother than ever. First, you want to make sure that your computer's system is completely up to date. Check for any new updates to your operating system. Keeping your OS current ensures that your system is running optimally and smoothly. Updates often contain crucial patches that can impact game performance, so make sure you're not overlooking this vital step. Next, let's turn our attention to your graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers can significantly affect how your game performs, so make sure you have the latest version installed. Head over to the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers to ensure you have the best possible support for Battlefield 2042. After updating your drivers, it's essential to tweak some in-game settings. Start by adjusting the graphics settings in Battlefield 2042. Lowering settings like shadows, reflections, and textures can reduce the strain on your CPU. While you may sacrifice a bit of visual fidelity, your gameplay experience will be much smoother. Aim to strike a balance where performance meets visual quality. Let's jump into the task manager on your PC. You can open this by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Here, you should take a keen look at what's running in the background. You might find some applications that are using more CPU resources than necessary. Be sure to close unnecessary programs and background processes that you're not actively using. Make sure you check the game settings regarding vertical sync, also known as V-Sync. Enabling V-Sync can help limit the FPS and prevent your CPU from working overtime by not rendering more frames than your monitor can display. This can be particularly beneficial in managing CPU usage while maintaining a smoother frame rate overall. Sometimes, power settings on your computer can inadvertently limit the performance of demanding applications. Navigate to your system's power settings and set your power plan to high performance. This ensures that your computer is prioritizing speed and performance, which can positively impact your gaming experience. If you're still facing issues, it might be worthwhile to disable some third-party applications that could be interfering with the game. Optimization software or overlays, such as those from Discord or Steam, could be consuming valuable CPU resources. Try turning these off to see if it makes a difference. Lastly, if all else fails, consider doing a clean boot. This process helps eliminate conflicts that can arise when setting up the game with too many services and startup programs running simultaneously. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in CPU performance, allowing for a more enjoyable gaming experience in Battlefield 2042. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!